All right, well, it's another beautiful day, and as much as I want to keep playing on my sawmill, I have a tendency to leave a lot of unfinished projects if you've been following my channel for any period of time. And I've just been putting off the siding on this, well, because of weather and money and all sorts of excuses, but I'm gonna get this thing strapped today. It's an absolutely gorgeous day, as you can see, and I've got all the 1x4. So let's just get this little bunkie finished. I hopefully have enough 1x4 to strap this. So you can see my spacing is what the shingle spacing is gonna be. So strapping 6 inches apart because I'm doing a 6-inch reveal on my shingles. So yeah, I just gotta finish up this side and then do the same on all other 3 sides. So the boards will go all the way around because it's strapping. That's what it does. And I'm still trying to track down shingles, but when I do find some shingles that are affordable, I'll be ready to put them on. Isn't that exciting? All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, I'm happy to announce that our 99-cent Maker's Mob woodworking sale is back. This is our biggest woodworking sale of the year. We're inside the Maker's Mob. You'll not only get access to learn my top woodworking projects, you will also get over 90 woodworking tutorials with plans from YouTube's top makers like Jimmy DiResta, John Heiss, Neil Paskin, Frank Howarth, John Peters, and of course myself. And right now, if you click the link in the description below, we are also hosting a 2-month RouterBit challenge where you can upload your projects that you have made and compete with woodworkers at different skill levels from all over the world in order to win thousands of dollars in prizes from CMT Tools and Tailored Toolworks. So click the link in the description below, learn woodworking from YouTube's top makers, and take advantage of this 99-cent sale before it ends. See you on the inside. Need my drill back.
I didn't take your drill.
Did I drop it over at the end of the deck there?
Yeah.
Sorry, I blamed you for that. That was my fault.
Forgive you. We're in this together, Jesse. Can't start fighting now. But don't ever accuse me of stealing your drill again.
Let's say we do the far side. Then we only have to lay out the far side, and then the back and the front side, all we have to do is connect them and line them up with the pieces on either side. So we don't have to do a layout on the last 2 sides. Ish. The front side has lots of cuts and stuff, so we might have to eyeball a few, but...
What's your theory?
The back wall also doesn't have any windows, so it's
You just want to get her done.
pieces all the way up. you be able to pass me another step ladder? I gotta get up a little higher here and I can't reach.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, buddy.
I can do it if you want me to.
Measured it. A little short.
Tick, tick, boom.
Look at that stack of firewood. That just makes me happy. It's nice. It's a nice stack of firewood.
I'm waiting for you to say something, but you're not saying anything.
I don't think there's much to say when you're looking at a view like that. Can't really add to that. It's just unfiltered majesty. Well, we ran out of screws to finish off the front of the strapping on the front of the cabin. So instead of driving into town to get more screws, we're gonna go cut some trees down. Call it a day. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, it wasn't rotten, so that's good. I thought it might blow apart when it hit the ground, but just the end. Could actually probably get some good firewood out of that one. Let's take down this little guy here too. Oh yeah, feel the power. Well, there were some trees there, now there's not some trees. Pretty exciting. See you in the next video. Summer out. Please make sure to give this video a like and a share, and make sure to check out the links in the description box below so you don't miss out on our 99 cent Maker's Mob sale, as well as huge savings on all sorts of CMT tools.